This tutorial will show you how to make a video synthesizer effect online in Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editor, video editing software. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step in making a video synthesizer effect in Adobe Premiere Pro is go in your search engine or browser and download Adobe Premiere Pro if you already don't have it. In this case, we click on their website, you can get a free trial, or you can even purchase and buy now. The next thing you want to do, this is for the guide and tutorial, is to download After Effects. Again, click on their website. This is also a product by Adobe themselves, and basically you can get a free trial or buy now. Now let's get right into it. Once you have Adobe Premiere Pro open, drag your music or audio piece that you would like to create and make into a visualizer effect. I'm basically just adding an in and an out point real quick. The next step is to make sure you're on project, and then to go to the bottom right hand screen and click the fourth option, and then click new item and then adjustment layer, and then click OK. Drag on the adjustment layer like so. Basically, you want to highlight both your audio and music piece and your adjustment layer, and then nest, right click and click nest, because now when we right click, we want to click this option, replace with After Effects composition. This is the part where you do need Adobe After Effects CC, because this is going to transform this into the end result. Okay, once After Effects has been opened up and loaded, basically here you want to drag this down below. As you can see, we have everything, our nested sequence. Okay, now you want to drag your music piece or MP3 down in your composition, and basically you want to go to the top right hand screen and under effects and presets, click and type in this visualizer audio spectrum. Now basically, if you don't even have this window, don't worry, I got you. Go to the top hand screen, click window, and make sure that effects and presets is toggled, and basically this is what we're gonna have. Audio spectrum, click, hold, and drag. Before we drag the audio spectrum, we want to make sure that our nested sequence is selected. Go to the top hand screen and click layer, new, and then solid, which is the second option, dark gray solid, and click OK. Now once we have our dark gray solid, now we want to click, hold, and drag audio spectrum onto our dark gray solid. And now we want to go to effects control on the top left hand screen, and under audio layer, click the drop down arrow under dark, and make sure that your MP3 audio piece is selected. And now if we were to click play, as you can currently see, we do have an audio visualizer, but we can adjust the settings to the following. Start frequency, I'll make 5 frequency bands, 100, maximum height 1000, and the thickness 25. Now basically this is what we have so far. And again, this is completely for free. If you want to render this, then basically you can go down to the bottom left hand screen, click render queue, go to file, go to export, and add to media encoder queue, or you can add to the render queue in Adobe After Effects or Adobe Media Encoder queue in Premiere Pro. It's up to you. And then you can change the render settings to the best, highest quality. Click OK, and once you're happy and satisfied, you can click render. Or again, you can go to export, add to media, add to Adobe Encoder, add to Adobe Media Encoder queue, and this will pull up in Adobe Premiere Pro. For Media Encoder, this will export in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. Now if we go back to Adobe Premiere Pro, voila, as you can see, we now have the audio spectrum completely for free.